How to eat garlic the correct way. Hi guys, welcome to Healthy Bodies. In today's video we're going to explain why many people are missing out on the huge health benefits of garlic simply because they're not using or eating it correctly. Garlic is an excellent superfood ingredient offering a vast number of health benefits. It can be good for boosting your immune system and helping fight colds and flu, and garlic is a stimulating diaphoretic, which basically means it helps your body warm up. And garlic also helps relieve congestion in both the lungs and sinuses, and also does something that antibiotics cannot. Garlic can increase your immune system activity and therefore increase the natural killer cells of the immune system. And garlic can also help improve your digestive system. It can reduce blood glucose levels of the body, it can lower bad cholesterol, improve eye health, and also provide many other health benefits. But in order to unlock these benefits, you do need to prepare and consume garlic in a certain way. And as we'll explain in a moment, there are some things you definitely need to avoid when eating garlic. Garlic contains complex carbohydrates and proteins, as well as being high in vitamins and minerals such as vitamin B, sodium, potassium, magnesium and allicin. And it also has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. And it's the compound allicin that provides almost all of the garlic health benefits. However, when garlic is in its bulb or clove form, allicin does not actually exist. Now, garlic contains two key ingredients in its dormant form: Alliin and the enzyme Alliinase. Now, when the clove is intact, these substances remain separate and therefore inactive. However, when garlic is chewed, sliced or crushed, the Alliin and Alliinase react together to form allicin, and it's this sulfur containing compound which is actually quite volatile, and it gives off hydrogen sulfide, which is really part of garlic's unmistakable smell and taste. And importantly, it's also this allicin compound which provides a wide variety of garlic health benefits. Therefore, to make the most of garlic, you should avoid doing the following. Do not swallow a whole clove without chopping or crushing it first, since there will be no allicin formed at that stage. Likewise, do not cook whole garlic cloves, since again allicin will not be present, as Alliin and the enzyme Alliinase have not yet reacted to make it. Also, some people suggest using a microwave for a minute to heat the garlic and remove the outer skin. Again, do not do this, as heat destroys Alliinase, which is the enzyme needed to form allicin. Also, Alliinase becomes deactivated when it comes into contact with stomach acid, so simply chewing a raw clove and immediately swallowing will again limit the amount of allicin that your body obtains. How to eat garlic the correct way. Always use fresh garlic. When using fresh garlic, crush the clove and let it sit for 15 minutes. And this waiting period allows the enzyme Alliinase to fully react with the Alliin to form allicin, increasing the potency of the garlic. Now, unlike the enzyme Alliinase, allicin is relatively heat stable, so it can be added to cooking. However, we would recommend that it's added during the very final stages of cooking wherever possible. And at the end of the day, the more raw and natural the crushed garlic is, the better. Just be mindful that some people are allergic or sensitive to garlic and should therefore avoid it. Moderate amounts can cause digestive upsets, for example gas and bloating, so if used, always start with very small doses and build up tolerance. And it's also commonly believed that garlic can thin the blood, so if you are taking any medications that thin blood, always consult your doctor beforehand. So, we hope you found this information useful. Until next time, goodbye.